Hey everybody, so in this video we will be talking about how can we increase our productivity in Canva almost by 2x. So if you are not familiar with Canva, I have made a separate video that talks about the basic of Canva. So if you are a beginner here, please do watch out this video. And here we are going to talk about the shortcuts that we can use to speed up our productivity in this tool. So let's get started. So here on my laptop, I will quickly open canva.com. Canva.com, that's it. And here I'll simply click on create new design and then simply I will choose a logo. So here we would be using all the shortcuts one by one. So let's get started with the basic ones. So if you click R, it will bring a rectangle here. That's simple. Okay, and if you want to just delete it, you can press the delete button or the backspace key. If I press the delete button, it is deleted. Okay, so that's it. If you press C, it will bring a circle. Similarly, deleting will just delete this. L will make a line, and also you can delete it from here. If you want to write something, so you have to press T, which is text, and you have to just write this is my text. Okay. And if you want to go back, so from here you can do undo, or you can simply press Ctrl Z and Ctrl Y will do the redo. So Ctrl Z and Ctrl Y. Ctrl S will save your project. So these are the basic stuff that we covered right now. From here we'll go on to bit advanced things, and as we move further, your productivity and speed would also increase. If I just want to replicate this text, I have to press Ctrl C and Ctrl V. It will make a copy of this. If I press Ctrl V many times, it will make multiple copies of this. And if I want to arrange them properly, I have to press Alt, Shift and T. It will arrange them in a proper format. Okay, and if, for example, I can still move this element. If I want this element not to be movable, I can just lock this element by going here and clicking on the lock button. Okay, so this can be done with a shortcut also, Alt Shift L. So when I press Alt Shift L, it gets locked. When I press it again, it gets unlocked. Very simple. Let's move further. If I want to bring these elements together in a group, so I have to press Ctrl G. It will make a group of these two elements. If I want to ungroup this, you have to press Ctrl Shift G. It will ungroup them. And if you just want to copy this element again, one is Ctrl C, Ctrl V, as I mentioned to you previously. If you want another shortcut for this, you have to simply keep on pressing the Alt button and just drag it again. So if you keep pressing the Alt key and just drag any element, it will make a copy of it and just move with your cursor. If you want this canvas to be zoomed, you have to press Ctrl and plus button, so it will zoom in. If you want it to zoom out, you have to press Ctrl and then minus. To show rulers on this page, you have to press Shift and R. So it will show you the rulers from the top and the side. So you can use them to get any precise adjustments. If you want to toggle the opening and closing of the sidebar, you can press Ctrl and then the slash key. It will toggle the sidebar. Apart from this, if you want to enter the presentation mode, you have to press Ctrl, Alt and P. So it will open the presentation mode where you can present it to anyone. And then you have to press the escape key to get back to this. Now while writing the text, we can do various text formatting here. 1 minute, let me hide the rulers. And now while writing the text, we can do a lot of formatting. Like if I want to bold this one, I can bold by pressing Ctrl D. So these are normal text formatting shortcuts. You can use them in Canva also to make your formatting easier and smoother. Also, there are a bunch of formatting options given above, so you can use them also if you want to write a text in a proper formatted way. And as you can see, this document has only one page. If you want to add a new page, you can simply click on add new page, or you can press Ctrl Enter. It will add a new page for you, And if you want to delete this, you simply have to press Ctrl key and backspace key. It will delete the empty page. So I hope you like this video and it will definitely help you to create better presentations on Canva. Thank you so much for watching this video completely till the end. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next one.